Yeah.
See all the snow in the bed of the truck. Makes a lot of weight too.
Does that help us?
Oh hell yeah.
Okay.
That's a lot.
Jinx is probably like, what the fuck are they doing? God damn it. It's so pretty.
Winter Wonderland.
Winter Wonderland.
Here, let me show you something.
Oh. Don't get us stuck.
Oh, here this stuff, eh? That's all you'd be able to do in two-wheel drive.
Yeah, but you made a rivet.
A what?
You know, a dip.
Fucking cool as shit, man. Am I clear on that side?
Now you are.
Now let me see Mikey's truck do this.